A group of friends. Let's figure out what our directions are on C. Write an expression to model each scenario. So I like the verbs. The verbs tell me a command, like the first thing I need to do, and then number 2, use the expression to answer the question. Okay, so it's write an expression. Some of you guys are struggling on a quiz. That's like the equation we use, right? And then the expression to get an answer. So get an expression and then get the answer. Expression or equation, and then get an answer. A group of friends is planning a trip to the movie theater. The cost of one ticket for a movie is $8.50. So right above one ticket, I'm going to write each. Each ticket costs $8.50, and the keyword each should lend itself to that it might be linear. The cost of each person to purchase snacks at the movie theater is $5. So now they're telling me snacks cost $5. How much will a group of 8 friends pay to purchase movie tickets and snacks at the theater? Okay, so this student recognized something. Okay, this is like, last year this actually happened. Okay, there was a student who wanted to turn all of their lay work at the end at school. You know what I'm talking about? And then instead of doing multiplication tables, it was pre-calculus, so they did unit circles. So they were in here after school with a bunch of friends. They're like, "Oh man, create these unit circles. So if you help me create these, I'll take you to the movies." And then I was like, "Oh, you can't just take them to the movies. They're sitting here after school till 4 o'clock helping you. You got to buy them snacks too." Okay, so this is this person recognized it's not just $8.50 for the ticket. It's really $8.50 plus the $5 for the snacks. You're at $13.50 per person. Pretty cheap, actually, right? So the table is already filled out for you, and the student recognized that it's $13.50 to each of these. They're just adding $13.50. If you're adding $13.50 for each of these, then class, you have linear, quadratic, exponential, or neither. It is linear because you have a first common difference. First common difference is the same number by plus, not multiplying. This represents our slope. So the student got it. $13.50. Then what the student did is they worked backwards. They noticed that these are by ones, and then this is $13.50. So they realized that if 0 people are going, it's not going to cost me anything. So this is your answer for the first one. That's correct. And then you just put in x equals how many friends? 8. So they just did 8 times $13.50 is $108. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, totally correct. Good job, whoever did that one.